Don't mind me, because I'm looking a little ratchet, but all I'm doing is just hand sewing the ballet shoe, as y'all can see right here. And I'm just doing, going through, taking the needle out. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So please stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. Okay, babe. So this is Miss Hello Kitty. Would love for you babes to hit that like button so others can have a chance to hear a good word or see a good project through the algorithm. Without a bow that I got from the Goodwill probably about 2 years ago or a year ago, and I totally forgot all about her. When I realized she didn't have a bow that I could easily make, and I've been thinking about wanting to give her a total makeover because y'all, I actually hate what she has on as well, which I'm not really too fond of the color pink, but I really like some colors mixed together that I'm wanting to make Hello Kitty more of my type. And as y'all can see, she is super dirty. I'm going to actually probably wash her off again. She got super dirty, like I told y'all, like, because I forgot about her or whatever, but I'm totally wanting to give her a whole Hello Kitty makeover. So I'm deciding to go ahead and use this cheetah print material. I can't even talk. This cheetah print material that I also use for the Bratz bedding and the Bratz customized loft that I created. That was Jade and Sasha bed. And I'm gonna, I cut out already, some square rectangle pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and shape her torso because I want cheetah material here on her bow area. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and redo her shoes as well and put cheetah print material here. So all I'm doing is just cutting out the prints and material that I am using. Alright, babe, so I'm gonna use tissue paper to print out the print of the tissue. The top, and I'm gonna trace it on this tissue paper because it's thin and I'm able to see through it. And I'm gonna make all the prints out, and yeah, and then I'm gonna use the print and cut it out onto the material that I want to use. And I have printed the design of the front top, and I'm also have it for the back shape, and I'm gonna cut it out onto the material, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the print of her shoes next. And next is her shoe print, and this is her ballerina shoe print right here. This is actually a ballerina Hello Kitty, and I'm gonna like freestyle her up and make her a fabulous ballerina Hello Kitty. And actually pink and black is like my favorite colors together. I really don't like pink like all by itself. Like, this is so yucky to me, y'all. Like, I love pink and black. It's like more punk rock. And I have the print laid out onto the material, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out the shape of this. So I have cut out the print and also the material. I cut off all the access to all the tissue paper and also the extra material. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut the back side of the Hello Kitty top. And now I have the shoe piece size on the material, and I think I have it kind of crooked. I'm gonna have to like straighten it up, but I'm gonna cut out 4 pieces of this material because I have a front piece for the shoe and a back piece for both of the shoes in total. And I have cut out the shape to the shoe part of the Hello Kitty, and I'm gonna continue to cut out all the patterns and go ahead and add it on to the Hello Kitty. But the last thing I have to do is just add the bow. So this is the material and shape I'm gonna cut the bow in. I'm gonna go ahead and seam this together like this for the first thing, and then I'm gonna come and sew the middle part and then add on the last piece of the string. Hate how it got so close to the edge. It was like moving at the same time I was sewing it, but I'm gonna go ahead and flip this inside out. And this is the finished bow right here that I'm gonna go ahead and glue on Hello Kitty. Alright, so this is how I have the material position on Hello Betty. I don't know why I call her Hello Bitty instead of Hello Kitty, but You know, I got the print of the shirt, and this is the back detail, which shaped the front and the back the same. So, you know, the back was just regular rectangle or whatever, but, you know, it'll look pretty decent. And this is how the back looks. And I'm going to go ahead and hand sew everything down. And I'm going to put her bow on at, like, the last minute. Don't mind me, because I'm looking a little ratchet, but all I'm doing is just hand sewing the ballet shoe, as y'all can see right here. And I'm just doing, you know, going through, taking the needle out, and I do the same thing again. You know, I go through and pull the needle, and I'm doing this all around. And I'm on the front part of the ballet shoe right now. This side is just pinned down. And since I'm almost out, you know, almost out of thread, I'm gonna go ahead and knot this part up. Okay, babe, so I just officially just sewn the other foot, and everything is pretty much sewn from the front and to the back. And all I gotta do now is really just clean her off and just add her bow, which I don't know if I'm a sewed a bow or if I'm actually just glued a bow down. And Hello Kitty is complete and done. She is squeaky clean, and also where her bow at it. And y'all, it is glued pretty well. I actually love how it came out. You know, I gotta actually clip a little bit of the extra sewing pieces and make it look neat. But Hello Kitty is done. If you really enjoyed this vlog, babe, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Mwah.